How to turn on auto create summaries of voice and call recordings on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the menu button at the top corner. From the pop-up, tap on settings. In here, go down and tap on record calls. Then tap on transcript assist. And then in here, we tap on summarize transcripts. At the top here, tap on the on or off button to switch it on or turn it off. Once this is turned on, you can automatically have AI to create summaries of your voice and call recordings. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video.